Hello,
Uh,
hello. It's Michael and Karen. How are you, Karen?
I'm doing great, Michael, and welcome everyone to GLU Group Asia Leaders Unite.
Yeah,
And
I'm really happy to be with you today for this new GLU new style.
that's right. And we're going to hop right into it. We're going to be talking about domain name setup today. So we got a good
Yeah,
demo. Michael got a good demo for you on how we're going to set up your domain names to get you off and running.
yeah. It's important because it's maybe the first thing you should do if you want to
Yes.
run a campaign. Everything is about a brand, and the first moment you decide, okay, I will launch a service, I will launch a product, I will launch a course, a program, a training program.
Mhm.
You should uh, select a name, decide the name, and maybe you know that the first thing you do, you go and see if the name is already taken or not, and if you can
Exactly.
decide to how can I say to book it on a domain
To
name
secure it for yourself. That's right.
yeah, on the domain name registrar. So today I will go to my domain name registrar. You can decide the domain name registrar you want, but I chose what's the name? It's
Namecheap,
Namecheap. Yeah,
namecheap.com. Mhm.
it's namecheap.com. With namecheap.com, it's very easy, and you can also have a very nice domain name with a special dot something, but sometimes you can find a domain name that are not expensive at all,
Right.
few dollars. So let's dive in. First of all, if you don't know what we are talking about and who we are uh, uh, active members inside the Groove Asia
The Groove
community.
Asia community.
Yeah,
That's right. Saying it
and
together
and,
at the
and Groove
members.
Asia community is a community for entrepreneurs, but also about a software, the Groove
Hmm.
software, Groove Asia software, and this Groove Asia software is something that you should consider if you want to work online and to have a business online, professional business online. So let's dive on on it. You have this website grooveasia.cm, and if when you go to grooveasia.cm, you can see this page where you can sign up and sign in into your account. So you have to, if you already have an account, you click here, login. If you don't have an account yet, you go and you open this page. You go to get started. One moment. Yeah, and this page arrives with all the paid plans, you all free plans you can decide to sign up. So at first you can only sign up for the free plan. It's a good news. It's a good thing because you can test the software for a long period. It's not 7 days. It's not uh, 15 days. It's not 30 days. It's the 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 time you want because there is no time limit, and it's free, and we don't ask you any credit card, so you can test it. So you go there and you put your first name, your name, and so on, and after that you will arrive into a page. I will show you that page that we call um, dashboard. I'm sorry, I'm looking for my words. So um, this dashboard is like that, and you will be invited to upgrade to a paid account. Uh, you should consider to have a paid account if you really want to have a professional um, business, I mean, if you consider yourself as a professional, you will discover that the free account is great to permit you to discover all the features and everything this incredible software can do.
Right. And if you want to be
But
able to use more than one domain name, you're going to need to upgrade your account also.
yeah, and I will show you how to integrate a domain name, but you will have limitations, and so I will encourage you to consider a paid account. So let's click on this button, upgrade. I would like to show you how you can uh, upgrade, and and if you click here, you will have um, um, a page that will invite you to choose a paid account. Okay, so here we are in a Groove CM account, but because we are in Groove Asia, I will show you another time, or you can dive into a paid account with Groove Asia. So let's think about this domain name issue. I went to Namecheap a few hours ago, and I bought this domain name, and in few weeks I will present this course called Affiliate Marketing Insider Secrets. I will present
Yes.
this course in French, but this course come from Simon Leong, who is the creator of this course. And so I bought this affiliate marketing insidersecrets.com, and this domain, as you can see, is the same for every registrar. You have a part called name servers, and name servers means that you want to decide uh, where visitors will arrive, in which server. So when someone will type your domain name, they want to be pointed to somewhere. And these name servers are, you have to decide where these people will be. And we want, what we want when you work with Groove, you want your visitors arrive into Groove servers. So
Right.
these servers have names, and you can find these names in the process, and we will go through this process. This inside group, you can say to group, okay, I want to use group with this domain name, and group will explain you how to connect your domain name and group server. So let's go
Right.
into that.
Let's go into there, into the Groove
Yeah.
platform.
So the Groove platform is here. You have your picture. I don't have picture yet, but here you will have a picture, and it's your. And when you click here, you have a pop-up
Drop
with
down menu.
different options. Yeah, drop-down menu. Sorry, and you have different options, and you have to click on My
My
Domains.
domains. Mhm.
And My Domains, you have as a free user. Here I am using a free account right now. You have uh, you only have one choice, is that we call custom domains. So you click on custom domain and manage,
Right. For
and
those who
there,
have a premium account, you'll be able to make subdomains. But since this is a free account, you have to purchase a domain in order to use it.
yeah, you can, if you have a paid account, you can create a subdomain from the Groove pages.com domain name. That can be useful if you want to quickly create a page, even if you don't have a domain name. So, but for free users, you have to pay a domain name somewhere, so on a domain name registrar, to be able to publish your pages. So here we see we don't have a domain name yet. So let's click on add a domain, and let's choose the first option that is recommended: full domain, subdomain setup.
Right.
Um,
I just want to explain a legacy domain setup is domains from when you already have a website
yeah,
and you're bringing that over.
yeah,
But if
because
you're brand new, it's going to be the full domain setup, which is the recommended.
yeah, legacy domain is something that can be interesting if you are already have a, um, a system like WordPress already installed, or a blog that is already installed, and you don't want to
Right.
override this what you have done. So let's dive on the first option, full domain, and you click next, and there it's which domain would like to add into Groove. So I know my domain name is here. It's called affiliate marketing-insidersecrets.com. So I come back into my page and I passed my domain name. I click next, and affiliate. Okay, be careful. Sometimes when you have a space, it doesn't work. So that's okay. And the Groove system say, okay, now to connect your domain name with Groove servers, you have to put these two lines into your domain name registrar. So into, for my case, nameship.com service. So I have to click to copy this first line. I go to my nameship and I put that first line in the first line called custom DNS. So custom DNS
Right.
line 1, I passed the first server line, and I come back to Groove. I click into the second line, I copy, I go to the second name server, and I passed. So now I have these two name servers defined, and I have to click here to say my domain name registrar, from now I want you to send people to Groove servers. So I won't click here because I already defined that and I don't want to 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 define it again, but you have to click here. If
And
I
that saves it.
refresh, yeah, if I
Hmm.
refresh my page, you will see that this line these lines are already defined. So for my domain name registrar side, that's enough. You don't have to do more. Now let's come back into Groove, and you click on next step. And the next step is a validation step. Um, Groove explained that when you click on this button, Groove will check if everything is okay.
Right.
Sometimes you should wait. If you do what we all have done just a few seconds ago, you should wait um, at least 10 minutes before the validation process be okay. At least it can be more, it can be a few hours
Right.
to so when I will click on this button, Groove say, okay, it's validated or it's not validated yet because we need time, and you will, so if it's the case, you will have to click this button again 10 minutes
Right.
after or 1 hour after. So I click on
Yes.
it.
It will let you know if it's validated or not. And
in
you
in
got the
my
green light.
case in my case, because I did what I showed you, I did that few hours ago, the validation is instant, like that. So I click here to complete the process, and the what they want. What does it mean? Does it mean that you have to click a, a, a button again? And this button is to define which application of Groove will be the primary
Primary.
uh, primary app dedicated to this specific domain. So
Right.
if I click here, it gave me options. It can be Groove Pages. It can be
Yeah.
something else. But
So if you want to do a
I,
website, Groove Pages. If you're trying to do a blog,
yeah,
Groove Blog. If you're trying to do a
most of
cart, it
the,
goes on from there.
yeah, most of the case, you will use Groove Pages. I give you the advice to always put Groove Pages as a primary app. So after that, you click on validate, et voila. That's it. You
You
have
are done.
your status. You can see on the status column you have secure and connected. When you have that, you know, and the primary application defined, you know
Hmm.
that you can use Groove to publish your first page. So let's do that. I created a page. Let's let's reload this page. Very simple page. People who know, who create pages from a long time know that the first pages that existed 20 years ago or 30 years ago was
Right.
hello world, because
Hello, world.
you want to test if your page is published or not, and you have to put something, so you can put only a text saying hello world. So here I have my page called Hello World, and I want to publish that page somewhere. So what I have to do is to select the domain name. That's okay, because
Right.
we know now we have a domain name connected to Groove. So I click on Manage Domain. I go to My Custom Domains, and I see that um, I have my Groove pages. So update, uh, manage. What's
Go
the
to
problem?
publish and then drop down and publish.
Um, update,
Go down to
publish.
the publish domain. There you go.
Oh, okay. It's not manage domain. Okay, I'm sorry. Manage domain is to define a new domain. So this button,
Hmm.
it's important this button be here, because sometimes you want to manage domain at this moment. So, but it's not the pink button you have to click. It's the gray one,
The gray
hosting
bar. Hmm.
options. So cross hosting options, you can choose custom domain, and you will find the domain that is there. It's affiliate marketing insidersecret.com. So now I can set my domain, and I can set location, route.
That's the root.
route
Hmm.
route means that um, it's it will be domainname.com, and that's it. That's
Right.
nothing else. It's not a subdomain, or it's not uh, a subfolder, or it's the root of the
It's the
domain.
root.
Yeah, and after that you publish. Here you have the button publish. So you can see there is publishing information here, and Groove will tell you when it's okay. So
When you
publishing
got the
done.
green box, it's good.
And on the left you have the green box, and here it
Hmm.
said it's good. So let's check. Here you have the button publish, but the second button is to
Check it
check,
out, to review it.
yeah, to review if you. And as you can see, I have my page and saying hello world. So it's good, because now you know that you have a page that is published, and published into a specific domain name that you just connected to Groove. So in few
That's right.
minutes we did that. We created the domain name, and we published a page connected to this specific domain name. So that was my challenge today. I think it was good enough for you to understand how to do that by your own. And what do you think, Karen, about that few demo, this
Nice
little demo?
and simple, and to show the community how to publish, how to add your domain name to your Groove application. So now you know how to add your domain name, purchase it, and to change the name servers in your app to your Groove to connect your domain name to your Groove account, and also how to publish it onto your website. So, bravo.
Yeah, yeah, bravo, as we say in French, bravo. Well done, Michael, and well done, Karen.
Well done.
We decided to do a short session, 20 minutes. So it's 20 minutes, 21 minutes. So I hope you will use that if you are in this moment about choosing a domain name and connecting this domain name to Groove. It's this video. I hope this video will be uh, good for you, useful for you. So have a good day and take care. And as you know, we are entrepreneurs. We help each other, and we at Groove Asia, inside Groove Asia community, you will find mentors, you will find directors, you will find people who can give their knowledge. And I did
Right.
that today. But if you want to do the same, you the floor is yours. This these live streams are open to you. If you want to take the stage, you can. So it's a challenge I give to you.
Right.
If you want to share your knowledge, you can do that inside the Groove Asia community.
All right. Well, this has been another great session, Michael, and we will see you next week or later on.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.